Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oatmeal biscuits. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have rolled oats, all-purpose flour, and cold butter. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, preparing it for the biscuits. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth baking process and perfect results. Now, let's combine the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of rolled oats. Make sure to use rolled oats for the best texture. Then, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix these ingredients well until they are evenly distributed. Next, we'll incorporate the wet ingredients. Cut 6 tablespoons of very cold butter into small pieces. Add these butter pieces to your dry mixture and use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter in until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually stir in 3/4 cup of cold milk until just combined. Avoid overmixing the dough. Finally, it's time to shape and bake your biscuits. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently pat it to about 1-inch thickness. Use a biscuit cutter to cut out your biscuits. Place them on the prepared baking sheet. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Enjoy your warm, homemade oatmeal biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.